The App Factory is a student enterprise within the School of ICT, where students get together and they work on real projects. The students can benefit from working in the App Factory in 3 ways. They can improve their technical skills. They can also improve their employability skills. Finally, students can also increase their entrepreneurship skills.
I work as a software developer in App Factory. You have to be good at programming naturally, but also you need to be good at interpreting user requirements, connecting the dots between what people want and how you actually make that a reality. You get to put relevant industry experience on your resume before you graduate. That is really attractive to employers.
The experience with App Factory is definitely valuable as it prepares you for entering into that field and gives you this insight into how the industry might look. Now my dream job is to become a mobile app developer.